Today we're analyzing a new problem with the 1997 Nissan Altima. I'm here at a drive-through picking up lunch, and problem is it doesn't want to go very fast without having the engine cut out. As you can see here idling, it's idling just fine, nice and smooth, not missing or anything. But when I try to accelerate, it shuts down, the engine shuts down. I believe it's low fuel pressure, so something like the fuel pump has gotten weak, even though I just replaced it not too long ago, or the fuel pressure regulator is malfunctioning. So I'm going to pick up my lunch, and then I will show a video of the engine cutting out when we try to accelerate. Okay, so now I'm driving in the car, and I don't want to punch it till I get a little closer to home. I'm scared I might be walking, but here we go. See, right there, it's to the floor and it's cutting out. So, sounds like it's lean condition at high speeds. So that would be consistent with a bad fuel pump or a bad fuel pressure regulator. I have added fuel injection cleaner in case one of the injectors was sticking open, causing the pressure to be lost. The car is having a hard start situation. It takes 10-12 seconds of cranking before the engine will start, so all consistent with low fuel pressure. But I have talked to other people and they said it could also be an ignition problem, but I'm not buying it. The reason I'm not buying it is we let the car sit overnight, and before we tried to start it, we turned the ignition on, and we left the ignition on for 30 seconds before we tried to start it, and the car cranked for just a few seconds and started, which is normal for this car. So, still trying to determine for 100% sure if it's ignition or fuel, but I'm leaning towards fuel.